Economic growth along rivers due to centuries of human transportation, irrigation, drainage, and recreation has caused the degradation of surrounding terrestrial environments located in many of the world's river basins. With hundreds of thousands of different plant and animal species presiding in river basins, plus nearly 2.8 billion people, if these regions become polluted, all plant, animal, and human life are put at risk of a variety of different threats. But by utilizing the Quaternary Filters system located in hydroelectric plants, we can not only promote clean terrestrial ecosystems and protect biodiversity in these areas, but we can also support local communities in and around the affected regions. The Quaternary Filter system will consist of a set of 4 upscaled and reinforced filters that are designed to remove waste as large as plastics and water bottles, down to heavy metals and other organic chemicals such as fertilizers. This waste would then be gathered and sorted, and any recyclable materials would then be transported to a recycling facility to make new reprocessed products to be brought into local communities surrounding the dam. If implemented, Quaternary filters would prevent large amounts of pollution and pollutants from ever affecting terrestrial ecosystems and provide an economic boost to local communities. Quaternary Filters uses 4 filters for the world.